So it has been a bit of a bear market recently with plenty of red days, and I figured this would be an excellent time to revisit the portfolio and see exactly how I lost in the last month. I did the quick calculation here, 2.6 million Swedish krona roughly. That translates to negative $278,000 in liquid net worth just liquidated in 1 month. So very, very quick on the stock market. And this is the thing when you're doing a more volatile strategy, just like when you're playing poker. You take 2 steps forward and then you take 1 step back. And it will be like this for the continuous future as long as you stay in growth stocks. Of course, you can step away from the volatility by dividend stocks, by bonds, but then you will have a lower expected value in the long run. Because what's going on in the long run? Well, let's just zoom out to a yearly basis. And all of a sudden, that $278,000 loss does not seem as bad, because we have roughly the same in gains for the year up to date. Just a little bit lower. Just a casual 50% shave off on profits. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. And it will be like this over the long run, as I said, and when you zoom out even further, eventually this graph that just looks massive on the right side of the screen will be so small that it just looks like a straight line, like the one you see on the left. This is the nature of exponential math. It's very hard to trust the math in situations like this, but remember, the first time is always the hardest time. The first time that you sit through a correction like the one we have right now will be the most difficult one. You will have extremely strong feelings watching your net worth go up and down. And then the second time it will be easier, the third time a lot easier, and then eventually you will just feel nothing when you look at the portfolio. It will be just numbers on the screen, just pure math. And in a way, I kind of envy the beginner traders, the beginner investors, to get to feel those very, very strong feelings, because it's a nice ride. It's a roller coaster, it's a lot of emotion, and it's a thrill. When you get a little bit older, when you get in your 30s, if you've been investing for more than 10 years, well, then you're gonna watch a $280,000 drop and say, I log in again in 3 months and see what's going on. Actually, I think I'm gonna log in again to the portfolio next time closer to year end, just to do a proper update on all the holdings, where I see the economy going. Perhaps I will be doing some changes, perhaps not. Make sure to subscribe to find out. And if you found this video entertaining, educational, please consider pressing the like button and also the hype button if you know where to find that one. I heard it's a new YouTube feature. Haven't really seen it myself. But if you find that button, try pressing it, and we can see if something happens in the statistics, if the video reaches more people interested in finance and investing. Anyways, that's been it, covering a bear market, covering a steep drop, hopefully providing some emotional support to traders who have watched net worth go down by similar percentage points. A lot of companies have gone down, except Nvidia. So if you held Nvidia, congratulations. For the rest of us, we just have to suck it up and wait for the next quarter. Alright, that's been it for this video. And as always, hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care, bye bye.